I was introduced to Heather by Seamus Lynch, our former group chief executive, who hired her all those years ago when we started here in Jamaica. From the first day we spoke, I knew we had found a trusted, hugely talented and influential member of our team. Everyone is broken-hearted that Heather has left us. We miss her deeply. There was a vacuum coming here to Jamaica on Tuesday evening because normally the first person that I'd be calling would be Heather. And it was just something completely different. Heather was a very private person and had a deep faith and commitment to her church, and this carried her through more difficult times. We now know that Heather suffered in her private life in an abusive relationship. And I'm sorry if this offends some people by me saying this, but in Heather's memory, I hope that other women will come forward and seek the help that is available to them. May I in particular, on behalf of my board and Oliver and the Digicel team, offer my deepest sympathy to Mrs. Hodgson's son, her mother, who was a towering figure in her life and whom Heather adored and got her values from. In recognition of Heather's incredible work and the dedication as a director of the Digicel Foundation, we will be refurbishing a secondary school important in Heather's honour.
Please do not dwell upon my death, but celebrate my life.